Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Following that, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like location. Finally, click on one of your apps that you wish to manage, in my case YouTube, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up allow only while using, so when I click and then go back, I can see that YouTube just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always tap on any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like microphone, to access my camera. Now, instead of picking one of those options, click on See All Camera Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!